Hello friends, now we will start again third chapter electrochemistry. In previous lecture we will completed primary cell. In primary cell we will completed two cell like first one is Lechlin's cell and second one is primary cell. Then after in primary cell we will also completed mercury cell. Then we will start secondary cell. First of all, how to define secondary cell. Then we already studied in previous lecture difference between primary and secondary, but again I will repeat one sentence or one definition. Meaning of secondary cell means which type of cell. This one is rechargeable, means we can use second time, like chargeable. Your mobile battery known as chargeable, you can use the second time. That's why this one known as secondary cell. In this cell, its subtypes is two. First one is lead storage cell, then after second one is nickel cadmium cell. This two cell works as a secondary cell or secondary battery. Now we will briefly study in first cell like lead storage cell. In lead storage cell, lead means Pb. Then which one works as a anode and which one works as a cathode? Friends, you know anode and cathode means what? One is oxidation half reaction and another one is reduction half reaction. And meaning of oxidation means what? Losing of electron. That's why oxidation either anode half reaction works as a losing of electron, and cathode works as a reduction half reaction and its works is gaining of electron. Now in both half reaction, lead works as a main metal. Then you know here we will use concentrated sulfuric acid and its percentage is 30%, because easily formation of lead sulfate solution. That's why in this reaction we will use sulfuric acid and its percentage is 30%. That's why anode half cell and cathode half cell, when we will study, then you can easily understood about this topic. Now we will start this half two reaction. Means in this two, anode works as a, suppose lead solid. You know Pb original valence is +2. When here addition of sulfuric acid, then sulfuric acid 2 ion is present like H plus and SO4 raised to 2 minus, sulfate and hydrogen. This type of 2 ion are present. When lead has positive charge, then sulfate works as a easily. Why? Because it has negative charge. That's why here when addition of sulfate ion like H2SO4 and this sulfate ion how to present, then you know in this cell main solution we will use sulfuric acid H2SO4 and its percentage 30% concentrated sulfuric acid. That's why here we take sulfate ion. Then sulfate ion, when these two combine with each other, then Pb solid, you know oxidation half cell, that's why convert into Pb2 plus, and you can easily understood about Pb solid convert into Pb plus 2 means losing of electron. Losing of how many electron? 2 electron. That's why this one works as a oxidation half reaction. And that's why here also write 2e minus, and this 2 electron indicated losing of 2 electron. Why? Because it has 2 plus charge. That's why. Now second reaction is cathode half cell reaction. Cathode half cell reaction means in both case we will use sulfuric acid, and both reaction gives us which one? PbSO4. Now when here addition of sulfate ion when addition, then sulfate ion used is, maybe in your mind this type of question is present. Then friends, when Pb convert into Pb plus 2, then plus 2 ion easily react with sulfate ion. That's why here gives us main product PbSO4 known as lead sulfate. Okay, means it has plus 2 charge, it has negative minus 2 charge. Both number or valency are same, means neutral. When these two combined with each other, then sign is ignored. That's why easily formation of which type of compound? Lead sulfate, PbSO4. That's why here we will write main compound like PbSO4 plus 2E minus removing. Now second one is cathode half cell reaction. In cathode half cell, main reagent is lead oxide, PbO2. And when this lead dioxide or oxide, when in presence of sulfate, why sulfate? Because lead storage cell always in presence of addition of sulfuric acid. That's why in sulfuric acid has sulfate ion. That's why compulsory here we can use sulfate. Why? Because in this two reaction gives us which one is? PbSO4. Then SO4, how to present? When addition of sulfate ion, then easily formation of lead sulfate. Now second one is, suppose here Pb1, then here also Pb1, but SO4 and SO4, but number of oxygen is more on left hand side. That's why when now equation is incomplete, how to balance this equation? Then first here when sulfate ion is present, then here compulsory when addition of 4H plus. Clear? Why 4H plus? Because number of total 2 oxygen when react with H2O when removing, then when addition of 2 either multiply by 2, then 2 oxygen, means oxygen is balanced, but how many hydrogen? Then 2 2s are 4. That's why here compulsory multiply by 4H plus. See here 2 minus, electron how many present? 2. Then how many left? 2. That's why 2E minus. See, electron 2E, 2 minus, means total 4E minus. Here that's why proton how many present? 4 plus, means this one is completed. Right hand side, our main product name is lead sulfate. Okay, then by removal product or gives us which one? Water molecule. Here that's why we will write twice H2O. Clear? Now this two half reaction gives us one overall redox reaction. Means here overall redox reaction is, see, Pb solid, clear? Pb solid plus PbO2. Here 2E minus and 2E minus easily cancel out. Clear? Then second one is SO4 2 minus, known as one type of sulfuric acid. That's why we can also write H2SO4. Means here H2SO4. Then plus which one is formed? Then see, here gives us PbSO4, lead sulfate. And right hand side lead sulfate we can write. Then which one is left? 2H2O. This one present in its liquid medium. That's why compulsory here liquid. PbSO4. This one is present in its aqueous medium, either solid medium. Second one, PbSO4 original medium is solid. When this one react with water molecule, then convert into its aqueous medium. Then you can also write here solid medium. Second thing, PbO2, its powderic medium, its state is solid. H2SO4, sulfuric acid, concentrated use. That's why its medium is aqueous. 30% use. That's why here Pb solid. Here in all reaction, please always write its medium like solid, aqueous, clear. Then this one indicated which type of product present in its state. Now maybe you all are easily clear about these two reaction. This one indicated lead storage cell, most important reaction. Second one is nickel cadmium cell. First one is lead storage cell, second one is nickel cadmium. Nickel cadmium means when which two metal present, then Ni nickel and cadmium means Cd. When these two present and formation of nickel cadmium cell, and this one is a very costly. Why? Because nickel when gives us some products, then it's this one is a very costly. That's why we cannot use in our laboratory. Now we will start NiCd, nickel cadmium storage cell. Then gives us one reaction, nickel cadmium storage cell. Cadmium original state is solid. Here first we can write second cell, nickel cadmium cell, and some description also given in your textbook. Then just read. Why? Because in your textbook already write this one is a very costly, and second more expensive by its manufacturing when occur. That's why we can not use. Reaction cadmium solid. Cadmium original state is solid. When addition of nickel trihydroxide, nickel trihydroxide, you know this one present in first transition series like D block element, Scuti carbon, Faconi Kojan. That's why in this series we can easily indicate nickel elements present, and nickel when in presence of hydroxide ion, then formation of trihydroxide, because its original valence is +3. That's why, and hydroxide ion has -1 charge. When this cadmium easily react with oxygen and formation of cadmium monoxide like CdO. Cadmium monoxide, either you can tell cadmium oxide also. Then gives us CdO, means its original state is also solid, cadmium oxide. Now here nickel one element. Here when we will use one oxygen, then how many left here? 2, and total number of hydrogen how many present? 3. That's why here easily we can removing nickel dihydroxide. Now equation is incomplete. Then how to balance this equation? Then see left and right hand side total given elements is completed or not, then please check. And this one indicated stoichiometric reaction when both side reactant and product present in its same amount. That's why when here we will multiply by 2, then total number of element nickel is equal to 2. See here 3 2s are 6 hydrogen. Hydrogen atom is equal to 6. 3 2s are 6 oxygen. Now right hand side how many oxygen used? Then here number of hydrogen total 4. Oxygen 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Means oxygen 1 is left. Hydrogen how many left? Total 2. Then easily we can removing water molecule. Then see this one is balanced. Means 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. Now 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Now equation is balanced. Clear? And this one indicated nickel cadmium secondary cell. Important reaction, and always remember. Now we will meet again in next lecture.